We are here in New York City. As you can see, beautiful day. Just chilling with the Bay. Model status right now, as you can see. And yeah, we are just going on a little adventure. We're going to the Kylie Jenner store right now. She wanted to go. I didn't want to go. Of course, I was forced to go. So, yeah. I wanted to go to Casey Neistat's place because, you know, it's my first time here. I was like, hey, why not go visit a place that I watch my favorite YouTuber at? But yeah, we are currently heading over to Soho, the Soho area, and we're gonna go check out the Kylie store, check out the stores there. We're not trying to shop though because I'm broke. So, you have anything to say? Why not? You just want to look pretty, and that's it, right? Is that how it works? Just gotta look cute. But yeah, it's a bustling lifestyle here. I never knew it'd be so busy. Like compared to living in Maryland, like near DC, it's like a completely different setting. So yeah, we are headed off to the Kylie store. We're in Forever 21. Great. So what are you looking for?
Bathing suits.
For what? Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is right now? And you chose to shop right now at this uneventful time? You know how the cashiers must feel? Oh, that's good stuff.
But this will literally make me look naked.
Do you want to look naked? Oh, in front of people, other people.
That's cute too.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
As you guys can see, she doesn't really care about what I have to say.
That's the place that Austin and Catherine were talking about.
What place?
Milk.
What place were they talking about?
Lovely.
You're lovely.
I am.
You're looking ravishing
Oh my God,
today.
Mama, fuck you.
What? What?
Mama, fuck you.
Mama, fuck. The names of these Asian restaurants don't get any better, do they?
Man, I'd be mad if I was a Momo.
Mama, fuck you. Mama, fuck you high, asshole. Mama, make you ball sack noodle.
Ball sack.
Nice, beautiful night in New York with the baby. He's looking nice, ravishing, nice and swag. Something like that.
But not their double chocolate chip. How you feeling?
Why are you talking to the bird, Kanisha?
Because animals deserve our love too, man. Dang.
Call out to it.
Hi.
That's not what I meant, but you know, I meant, well.
Not the same mating call as well. Worst.
Yes, you do, Kanisha. It's so nice and beautiful outside, just like you. But
Aw, that was so sweet. Misha, why aren't you sweet to me like that? What are you talking about? Wait, what are you talking
all
about?
love, guys, all love.
He was like, it's so nice and beautiful, and then he pointed the camera at Cal, and he was like, just like you. Aw. Katie, you're a goddess. Too late now. The moment's passed. I'm sorry.
So we're on a real hiking trip here with these two. So
Spraining my ankle.
you're not gonna sprain anything.
What?
What? What?
I don't know.
All right, I mean, we could just keep going this way. Ah! What hit you in the face?
My ankle is killing.
Can you explain to me what hit you in the face, babe? What hit you in the face? They're scared of all of this nice nature outside, and I'm just here chilling, walking. I slid for a second, but I mean, that was kind of unnecessary what you just did, but. Kindergartners, slow down, please, please.
Died.
Oh, you didn't.
We need to find real pets.
I know.
Nope.
They don't like bugs.
Yeah.
Nature is just there, and you're navigating through it.
Shut the hell up.
Hey. It's not my fault you don't like the real world. This is where cavemen lived, okay? They didn't have TVs, huh?
Cavemen lived in caves.
Okay, cavemen lived in caves, but they came out into nature. So,
There's the one who's recording this.
okay.
We could have gone the easy way, but I mean.
To be honest, that way didn't have.
We're probably gonna do that
Oh,
again.
we were gonna go through that tunnel.
Yeah.
We were gonna go up that hill.
We should go mountain climbing. It's fun.
I wanna go skiing.
Yeah.
Skiing?
Yeah, I've never
My mom
skied
can give
before.
us some a good rate if you really want to. Have you ever been to Paw Paw Tunnel? No. It's in West Virginia, and it's like the longest tunnel, and it is terrifying.
Hmm.
Really? Yeah. Terrifying how?
I brought a blanket. You took the blanket out of my back.
I hope we didn't get that on camera.
Is it here or is it in the big one?
In the big one.
Oh yeah, my ankle.
This side of the water. What is?
It's up to you. I don't.
The blankets in the Bahamas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember?
Right here.
Remember when we went to that little gift shop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right here's a good place.
And then I got one for your mom. Is this the one?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Can you put it down? Help me put it down.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god. I am so terrified for him.
Look at that little duck.
Where is your family? I'm so scared.
Little duck all by itself. Come over here. I could probably get it.
Go save him. Go get him.
What? It's gonna come up to my knees.
Where's your family? Oh my god, I am so scared for him. I'm not even kidding.
Go get him. Go get him.
It's God.
That's his good old
boxers.
fashioned sweat. Kevin, pull your pants up. Got your
There's
booty
only
hanging all
one.
out. Gee willikers. Is this a brick? Yeah. Wow. There's a lot of them. I need to get on their level. Beat the hell out of somebody with that. I mean,
Drying my feet.
Your socks.
Oh,
Here. Yeah, okay, here you go. Are you done? Look! You almost got it in the water. I thought you had both of them. Okay, you good?
I actually really rested my feet.
There you go. Nice and cleansing.
I keep getting wet.
So we just finished hiking. Oh, but yeah. So
Kevin,
what?
stop.
What am I doing that's so bad? Am I a criminal?
Yes.
Why?
What did he do? Public nudity.
But yeah, we are here
so
in Patapsco Park.
Patapsco
Patapsco Park.
No, I want to see the
It's nice and beautiful. I was chasing a duck earlier, but that didn't really work so much. Here.
Ow.
So
Please just land.
we are just out here.
I feel rejuvenated. Crap, a hip.
What? What happened?
Is that another duck?
Chilling right down there.
Oh.
Chilling down the stream.
No.
It looks like it, yep.
Mom is teaching them how to fight against the current. No, well, she's not here teaching very well, is she? Maybe she wants them to get experience differently.
Are you okay? What are you doing?
Why would you pull me like that?
Be careful before your feet get in the water
That's what I'm
again.
saying. Why would you pull me?
Okay, okay. Can you like push your feet up? There you go. There you go. Okay. Up.
I'm just gonna throw these
Check my
leggings
butt.
out and. Okay, guys.
Baby, give me your phone.
Paul's running around. Trying to take a picture. Wait, guys.
Oh, come on, guys.
Careful.